What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Now, before I even considered doing the review on the new Apple Watch, I figured why not unbox it, get to use it first before bringing you the review. So in this video what we're going to do is we're just going to unbox the Apple Watch Nike Plus Edition. This is the 44mm. Now this is a big upgrade for me. Basically the first Apple Watch I ever had, and I've still got right now, is the Series 1, and it's stainless steel. I'll show you that basically in the review video. Currently this is a big upgrade. I decided to go with the aluminium version, Nike version, because obviously this is all that was available. It's selling out pretty quick, but let's jump in, let's take a look at the watch, and then I'll be bringing you the full review in a few weeks time after using the device, as I don't want to just give you a review straight away, as what's the point? Yeah, I haven't used it, there's no point in me giving you a review just yet, and comparing it to the Series 1. So without further ado anyway, let's jump in, let's see what you get inside the box. So of course, typical Apple fashion, you've got the pull tab now and you just tear it away. Let's jump in. Right, okay, so pull that off and then you pull that one off too. So this is a different kind of unboxing for me with Apple. Normally, obviously, you know, I've just done the normal unboxings with different type of phones, etc. So this is a new type of unboxing. Okay, so obviously different like Apple Watch bands, etc. inside the packaging here. It's obviously just a little box that they fold away. Let's put that to one side. So in this one, you've got your Nike Plus Sport band. I'm assuming the watch then would be in this one. So let's take a look at the 44mm band that came with it. I can't see me using this one all that much. I will be using it today because I decided not to wear a watch while I was filming this video. So little leaflet on where the instructions are for it, but at the end of the day it's just a band. So Nike Apple Watch Nike Plus tells you how to fit your band, and then there's the band in the centre. You obviously got the longer end piece and a shorter end piece depending on what you want. I'm going to go with the longer ones for now and see how they feel. So let's get them out. Let's jump in and let's get the watch out. So this looks like a normal Apple unboxing experience for the watch side of things, where it's in its own little box. So let's see what you get on this side. Oh, you actually get I've bought the American version. What they gave me is this little power brick. Now these come in dead handy. As you know, I go to the States a lot, so another one is greatly appreciated. You've got your normal USB end with the magnet to charge. Doesn't look like the magnet's changed all that much compared to the old version, but again we'll compare that in the review. Let's take a look what you get in here. So this just looks like you get another one of those leaflets and how to set up the watch to your phone. I'm sure you aren't really that interested in that, neither am I, but got to show you everything, haven't I? So let's just throw that back inside like so, and let's get the watch out. So, oh, that's nice. It comes in like a little, it's like a velour lined padding. So it's not like your normal, like where you peel it off, it's just like a velour lined padding, so that's quite nice. That'll keep the watch face nice for when you don't want to wear it, you just throw it in that. I wish they would have done that with the stainless steel one last day, obviously with the Series 1. Obviously they changed things up, but that would have saved a lot of hassle for when putting it away, you know, would have saved a lot of scratches, as the stainless steel version just gets covered in scratches. Okay, so there's the new sensor on the back. That's going to be for you, obviously your EGR and stuff like that they bought out. This is the GPS version, so you don't get the little red ring, you get the black one. I never went for the cellular, as I thought, what's the point? At the end of the day, this is the American version, and there's only 2 companies in the UK that currently support this, so it's no good to me, as both of them companies aren't one that I'm with. So let's put the bands on, let's see what it looks like with the bands. Okay, and the next one at the top. There we go. the new Nike Apple Watch Plus. Does look really nice, feels premium even though it's the aluminium version. I'm happy they went with the bigger screen, however I do still think that it's a smaller screen than what I'm used to. Obviously I wear the Nixons and the big diesel watch, you know, you're talking 50 odd millimeter. This is 44. I'm glad they went with it. It does look great on the bigger screen, but we'll find out in the full review what I really think of it. But for now guys, I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to go and set this all up and get it all ready to go. I'm going to wear it for a few weeks and then I'm going to bring you the full review. I hope you're looking forward to that guys. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Drop a like on this video for me for the Apple Watch Series 4. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, obviously to check out the full review on this guy, and obviously browse around the channel. Lots of other videos on the channel guys, make sure to check them out. Thanks so much for watching, I really appreciate it. I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. Take care everyone, see you all later.